Welcome to CreekWatch. I'm Sid and this is Reed, and today we're going to teach you how to perform the chloride test. So chloride is a measure of the saltiness or the soluble salts within our water. And chloride has a direct relationship to the weather. So when we have a big winter melt, we're going to see a spike in that chloride level due to the salt that we use to salt driveways, roadways, and sidewalks.
Absolutely. So today we're going to be doing a really fun test. We're going to be doing chloride using an acid-based titration. So we're going to be adding drops one at a time until we actually see chemistry happening right before our eyes. Our solution is going to change colors, which will indicate a neutral pH, which recognizes that the test is actually done and you have your result.
So one of the most important things, again, as always, is to put on your safety glasses. So I'm going to put those on now.
Excellent. All right, you can see we've got a square glass mixing bottle. We've got a plastic tube in the bottom there. We've got some chloride 2 indicator reagent right here. And we've also got our silver nitrate dropper bottle. First, let's collect our water sample.
So we want to collect our water sample, as always, in moving water, and we're going to fill it up to the 23 milliliter line, which is the top line on our square glass bottle.
Excellent.
And that's right on 23.
Perfect. All right, what do we need next?
Next, we're going to need our chloride 2 indicator packet here.
Switch you.
So I'll take one of those out. And we always want to be using our trash bag, so I'm going to open this up and immediately put the contents into the trash.
There you go. Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. And I'm going to dump my chemical into our sample. Excellent.
Perfect.
Give it a little swirl to mix it all up. And now we have this amazing yellow color.
Look at that. All right, next we want to take some silver nitrate, which is right here, our dropper bottle, and we're going to add drops into the middle of this solution until we see chemistry happening, until something changes.
Yeah, we want to see this color change from this to a rusty orange.
All right, so I'll let you open that.
So I'm going to add one drop directly into the center, give that a swirl.
Look at that, it goes red right away.
Yeah, it disappears. So now I'm going to continue adding drops, counting all the way. So this will be drop number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, gonna come get some more. 10,
Ooh, starting.
11, you can see it's changed a little bit. 12.
Almost.
And 13.
13, look at that.
That's pretty rusty.
Yeah, I'd say that is exactly the chemistry we were looking for.
So Reed, what does this now correspond to? We've added 13 drops to our sample. What does that actually correspond to in terms of chloride?
Yeah, so each drop registers as 5 milligrams per liter. So quick math, 13 times 5.
That's going to be 65 milligrams per liter.
There you go. See, you're quick on your feet there.
Yeah.
Excellent. So we had 65 milligrams per liter. Now, where does that fall in terms of what's healthy, borderline healthy, and unhealthy?
Right. So this is going to fall into the healthy range. So any value below 15 milligrams per liter is going to be considered extremely healthy. That corresponds to 3 drops. And then anything from 15 to 120 milligrams per liter is in the healthy range. So right now the sample, again, 65, it's pretty healthy. And then anything from 120 to 640 is going to be considered unhealthy. And anything above 640 milligrams per liter, that's extremely unhealthy.
Yes. So you got that borderline healthy, the unhealthy. It gets really crazy there once you get those high levels. When do we typically see the really high levels of chloride?
We're going to see those again when we have big winter melts that are going to be bringing those salts into our creeks and our rivers from our stormwater events.
Absolutely. So what are we going to do next here in terms of cleaning this test up?
Right. So chloride test is very important that we're using our chloride waste bottle. It cannot go into our regular wastewater bottles. So I'm gonna open this up. We can pour this in. And you can see there's still some of that yellowy color. So in your kit, you're going to have a plastic measuring tube. I'm gonna go get some fresh water to be able to rinse this all out. Give it a swirl. And there you have it.
That was pretty easy, wasn't it?
It was very easy. So
Wow.
this test should typically take about 5 minutes. It's a super simple, but a very accurate and effective way to measure chloride.
Yeah, that was a really neat test, actually. It's really cool to see how that color can change.
Very cool, yes.